Is your car acting strange? Maybe the check engine light popped on for a moment and then disappeared? Or perhaps the engine is idling a little rough, or the transmission isn't shifting as smoothly as it used to. These little glitches can be incredibly frustrating. Your first instinct might be to book an expensive appointment at a mechanic, where a simple diagnostic reset can cost you upwards of $150 before any work even begins. But what if I told you that many of these minor electronic gremlins can be solved right in your own driveway, with little to no tools and for absolutely free? Your car's computer, just like any other computer, can sometimes get confused. And just like your laptop, sometimes all it needs is a proper reboot. Today, I'm going to show you 5 legitimate methods that mechanics use to reset a car's computer system. Stick around, because these tips could save you time, money, and a whole lot of headaches. Before we get started, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on more car maintenance tips. Let's dive right in. What is the ECU and why reset it? Before we dive in, let's quickly talk about what we're resetting. Your car has an engine control unit, or ECU. Think of it as the car's brain. It controls everything from fuel injection and ignition timing to how the transmission shifts. Over time, or after an event like a battery change or a jump start, the ECU can store glitchy data or temporary fault codes. This can cause the car to run poorly, even when there's no serious mechanical issue. Resetting the ECU clears this temporary memory, forcing it to relearn your car's systems and your driving habits. It's like giving your car a clean slate. So let's get into the methods. Number 1. The ignition key cycling reset. No tools. Our first method is the simplest and is especially effective on many older vehicles, particularly those made before 2005. This is the ignition key cycling reset. Here's how you do it. Step 1. Get in your car and close the door. Step 2. Insert the key into the ignition. Step 3. Turn the key to the on position, where all the dashboard lights come on, but do not crank the engine. Step 4. Leave it in the on position for about a second, then turn it back to off and remove the key. Step 5. Repeat this process 2 more times for a total of 3 on-off cycles, all within about 10 seconds. This quick sequence can act like a soft reboot for many systems. On certain vehicles like older Chryslers and Jeeps, this can even make the odometer display any stored fault codes. It's an old-school trick that forces the ECU to run a quick self-check, and it can sometimes be enough to clear a minor, temporary fault. Number 2. The battery disconnection reset, the right way. Next up is the most well-known method, disconnecting the battery. But there's a right way and a wrong way to do this. Doing it correctly is crucial for a complete reset. First, a word of caution. This will reset your clock, radio presets, and other in-car settings. Here's the proper procedure. Step 1. Pop the hood and locate your battery. You'll need a simple wrench for this. Step 2. Safety first. Always disconnect the negative terminal first. It's usually black and marked with a minus sign. Loosen the nut and pull the cable off the battery post. Step 3. Now, disconnect the positive terminal, which is usually red and marked with a plus sign. Step 4. This is the step most people miss. With both cables disconnected, go back into your car and press and hold the brake pedal for about 20-30 seconds. This helps drain any residual power that's stored in the car's capacitors, ensuring a much more thorough reset. Step 5. Wait about 15 minutes. This gives all the modules time to fully discharge. Step 6. Reconnect the battery in the reverse order. Positive terminal first, then the negative terminal. This hard reset will clear most of the ECU's adaptive memory, and it's a fantastic troubleshooting step for a wide range of electronic issues. Number 3. The OBD2 scanner reset. If you want a more precise approach, you can use an OBD2 scanner. These have become very affordable, and they're a great tool for any car owner. The process is straightforward. You plug the scanner into your car's OBD2 port, usually located under the dashboard on the driver's side. Turn the ignition to the on position. The scanner will power up and connect to your car's computer. Now, here's a pro tip. Always read the codes first, even if you plan to clear them. Write them down. Clearing a code doesn't fix the underlying problem. If there's a serious issue, the light will just come back on. However, if the code was for a temporary glitch like a loose gas cap, using the scanner's clear codes or erase codes function is the cleanest way to reset the CheckEngineLight without wiping your radio presets. Number 4. The throttle body relearn procedure. Have you ever noticed your engine idling high or rough after reconnecting the battery? That's often because the ECU has forgotten the throttle body's idle position. Many modern cars use a drive-by-wire system, and this requires a relearn procedure. Failing to do this can not only cause a poor idle, but can actually decrease your fuel economy by as much as 12% according to some studies. While the exact procedure varies by manufacturer, a common method is this. Step 1. With the battery connected and the car off, turn the key to the on position. Step 2. Wait for 3 seconds. Step 3. Slowly and smoothly press the accelerator pedal all the way to the floor and slowly release it. Do this 5 times within about 30 seconds. Step 4. Turn the key off and wait for a minute. Then, start the car. The ECU uses this process to relearn the full range of the throttle plate from fully closed to open fully. This simple pedal dance can smooth out your idle and restore your fuel economy. Number 5. The soft ECU drain. The jumper cable trick. Finally, we have what some call the nuclear option for stubborn electronic glitches. It's a soft ECU drain that forces a deeper reset than just disconnecting the battery. Extreme caution. For this method, the battery must be completely disconnected from the vehicle. I repeat, disconnect both the positive and negative cables from the battery terminals first. Once the battery is safely out of the circuit, take a set of jumper cables. Connect one end of the cable to the disconnected positive battery terminal and the other end to the disconnected negative battery terminal. You are connecting the car's cables, not to the battery. This creates a closed loop that allows any residual charge in the system's capacitors to drain completely and safely. Let it sit for about 10 minutes in this position. This will wipe the volatile memory from every module in the car. After 10 minutes, remove the jumper cable and reconnect your battery, starting with the positive terminal first, then the negative terminal. This is the most thorough reset you can do without specialized dealer tools. So there you have it, 5 real-world methods to reset your car's computer, from a simple key turn to a deep system drain. Remember, these resets are for clearing electronic glitches, not for fixing mechanical problems. But the next time your car is acting up for no apparent reason, try one of these before you reach for your wallet. If this video was helpful or you learned something new, I'd appreciate it if you could hit the like button. And be sure to subscribe for more no-nonsense car tips that actually work. Have you ever fixed a car problem with one of these resets? Share your story in the comments below. I'd love to hear it. Drive smart and drive safe.